Hi, welcome to Glamo Makeup. Join me as I review the Monda Studio Beauty Box. I'm going to be unboxing it for the first time, filling it with most of my Pro Kit items, and walking you through some of the products that I carry. My Zuka rolling case was filled to the brim and I still had to carry an extra tote. So what this is going to allow me to do is carry most of the products that I need to lay out on the table in here. There's 2 layers to this. Maybe you can attach a curling iron or attach brushes or something. And then on the opposite side, it's diagonal. I'm not sure why. It's not straight. I don't know if that is a manufacturing thing or a design, but see how this is diagonal? That's kind of strange to me. A mesh so you can put product. And then flipping it over, flip this open and it has a backing so that you can put brushes. If you have dirty brushes, you can wipe it. Also, this package opens up and you can put things in here too. I'll probably put my palettes in here. So I'm going to show you how this size is in relationship to the Zuka rolling bag. This is a Muji quarter tray, so just to give you a sense of the scale of the size. Alright, so there's my Zuka rolling bag. I'm going to show you how the Monda Studio Beauty Box is in relationship to that. You know what would have been really nice is if they added a strip here so that you can also attach it to your bag. Okay, so that's about the size. You can also turn it over on the side like that. If you want to travel with this, using this backing right here, and I'm going to attach the strap to the sides. I wasted no time in filling up my Monda Studio Beauty Box, and I'd like to show you what's inside. This is my Pro Kit. This is what I take to on location gigs. The first opening, I have lip colors and anti-shine. I actually don't use these much. Moving on to the actual beauty box itself, I have black and brown lashes here. I have loose powders, and I have them in 10-gram jars that I purchased from cosmetics. Eye cream, not the best kind, but this is what I have for now. And Clarins. I like to use this as my primer. It's great for mature clients in filling in fine lines and pores. Next, I have Temptu. Okay, up here, I have Temptu Airbrush blush and highlighters, and I have them upside down so that I can see the color from the top and not have to pull open every single one to see the color. Otherwise, it would look like that. So with that cap. Right here, I have Temptu Airbrush contour and white corrector. And then I also have color correctors or primary and secondary colors here for adjusting my colors. Up here, I have skincare related products and a loose shimmer stack. Mints. These are great. I get them from Amazon. They're Japanese and super strong. They're really small, probably the size of one of those Altoid minis, but they pack a punch. This is alcohol. I need to label it, but it is a flip top cap, an ounce that I bought off of cosmetics. Micellar water, eye makeup remover. Right here is skincare. I have disposable cotton rounds. When I am on set, what I will most likely do is lift up all of these bottles and flip them up vertically so that I can pick them up easier. So I'll do that now. Unless I am running super behind, I'll always prep skin. Lip balm. This is a recent discovery that Donna Me turned me on to. It is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Then I have my favorite primers, Smashbox in clear and green. This is a new primer that I have. It's Jane Iredale, and this is for oily skin, so I will most likely mix this on the T-zone or use this all over on oily skin. Urban Decay makeup setting spray. I typically don't have to use these when I do my makeup, but if a client is insistent on using it or interested in it, then I'll use it on them. Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, cream cleanser, and alcohol-free toner. These are Kiehl's, I believe, and these bottles I got probably from Target. In this container, I have Q-tips and Temptu Pro airbrush foundations, mainly in warm colors because I work with a lot of clients with warm colors, and then if I need to make it more pink or orange, then I'll use my color adjusters here. Traditional foundation application, I use Face Atelier right now, as well as Makeup Forever HD and Makeup Forever Face and Body. This is a dark color, dark foundation that I use to adjust color. This is Makeup Forever Face and Body in 18, which is a really good olive tone. And then I have mostly warm tones for Face Atelier here. And if I need to, I've also used, even though they're not the same formulation, the color adjusters in this to make them warmer. I also have color correcting powders from Makeup Forever. And then I have additional loose powders from Makeup Forever. These are the super matte loose powders. I have the most dark, an orangey warm color, and then a very pink color in case I need them. And then I also have all my Vusette palettes here. I showed you these in another video, but I'll go ahead and show you them very quickly. I won't explain them. It's a little bit tight. I have cheek cream blushes, cream eye and brow products, cream concealers, disposables, mainly Q-tips, disposable tools. I feel like liquid eyeliner gives you a certain finish that gel liner does not, and so I have these fine tip eyeliner disposable brushes as well. Sponge wedges. And then back here I have individual lashes that I'm going to put those back in here. One thing that I do not like about my Monda box is that you cannot really change these partitions horizontally, so you're kind of stuck with this setup. This one does move up and down, but it would be really great if they gave you just a few extras of these so that you can do different modular setups. On this side, I have the starter size, the very small ones of Temptu. These are in cool colors that I don't use as often. I have a couple random, this is a Makeup Forever waterproof eyeliner. I like that it comes in an empty bottle so that I can dip disposables in it as I want to keep things hygienic. Inlock Duraline, Meron mixing medium, and then some of my faves, Makeup Forever Aqua Brow in a variety of colors. So these are cream brows. They have a creamier consistency than the Anastasia Dip Brow, which I also like. I like to mix it up with these. They're creamier and less dry. I have a couple hair clips up here. Flip it up so you can see what I have up here. Originally, I thought I was going to put makeup brushes up here, but I decided to put upright the products that I use pretty frequently. So I have hand sanitizer in a spray. I'm going to get a gel to replace it. Lip brushes. These are the only brushes I have separated from the rest of my brushes. The reason why I have them here is to remind me to put lip balm on my clients right away when I start. Perry & Spirit brush cleaner, Makeup Forever HD concealers in mostly light warm tones and peachy tones. Here I have eyelash adhesives. So I have both black, Korean brands, clear, and then the dark duo. A couple tools, a spatula and a scissor to trim brows as well as false lashes. Basic eyeliner pencils in black and brown. And then all my other colored eyeliner pencils are in my Zuka rolling case. These are mascaras and liquid eyeliners. Up here, I have concealer, so Makeup Forever Full Cover, which I like to use on the face because it is pretty pigmented and dries nicely, especially on blemishes. And then these Shiseido concealer pencils are great for concealing around the mouth, deep set wrinkles, and dark shadows in the outer corners of the eye. Clear brow gel. Then I have all my brow pencils in taupe, blonde, brown. I don't have any gray and black colors. Anastasia Brow Wax and Estila Pen. Anastasia Brow Gels. It is tinted, but it's not heavily pigmented. So rather than using a clear gel, you're just going to reinforce or not compete with the color that the client or the model has. I have some additional brow products. These are like Ico, for example, brow fibers that you brush on that has hair. And I have a ballpoint pen, you know, just in case. And then Jane Iredale chubby pencils that are shimmer sticks. And in here, I did not put anything up here. I could probably put a couple palettes, but I decided to keep my eyeshadow palettes in the Zuka rolling case to be more secure. So basically, I took my entire kit that was in my Zuka and was able to fit it in the beauty box. What I did not fit in here, I probably could, but I put it into my Zuka rolling case. At this stage, it's probably a little too premature to let you know what I think, but my first impressions are I really like it. I would recommend it. It was relatively inexpensive, under $35, but I have high hopes for it, especially based on the reviews I've heard from the community. I have not used this on a job yet. However, I have experience working out of train cases before. Really like that rather than things being stacked in drawers, it's just all open and you can position your products vertically so that you can work directly out of it. It'll make setup and breakdown much faster as well. I'll give you an update hopefully in the near future to tell you how this has been and hopefully get some professional photography shots of my kit behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching and tune again for next time. Thanks, bye.